Hi, I'm Nora. In this video, I will explain the Pocket Option interface in detail. We will go through charts, assets, timeframes, and the main elements you see on the screen. If you understand the interface, trading becomes much easier and more controlled. And let's start with the chart. This is the main working area where all price movement happens. Everything in trading starts with understanding what you see here. Price moves up and down, forming patterns over time. Your goal is not to predict randomly, but to read this movement. Pocket Option allows you to change how charts look. You can use candlestick, lines or bars. Candlestick charts are the most informative, especially for beginners. They show open, close, high and low prices clearly. Now let's talk about timeframes. A timeframe defines how much time one candle represents. Short timeframes move faster but are noisier, and longer timeframes are slower but show clearer structure. Beginners should focus on clarity, not speed. Next is asset selection. Assets includes currencies, commodities, and other instruments. Each asset behaves differently and has its own volatility. You should never trade randomly. Asset choice matters. You may notice different payout percentages for different assets. Higher payout does not mean better trading condition. Liquidity and price behavior are more important than payout numbers. On the right side, use the trade panel. Here you choose trade amount and expiration time. Even before learning strategies, you should understand how these settings work. Control always comes before profits. Most beginner mistakes come from rushing, changing settings too often, switching assets constantly, or using very short time frames. The interface should feel calm and controlled. A clean interface helps you think clearly. You don't need many indicators or settings as a beginner. Simple charts improve focus and reduce mistakes. Before using any strategy, practice navigating the platform. Switch assets, adjust timeframes, and observe price behavior. Understanding the interface is a skill on its own. If you understand charts, assets, and timeframes, you already have a strong foundation. In the next video, I will explain you how to set up the platform correctly for your first trade. Take your time and stay consistent.